Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I was about to make myself coffee, and I picked my Starbucks mug from Switzerland. So I love collecting these mugs because they have the cutest little images on them. This is the Starbucks Been There series, and they will have like the most iconic, classic things of each place. So for Switzerland, like the Matterhorn, the Swiss chocolate, of course, the cows, we saw those everywhere with the bells, the bear for bird. And I personally really love getting myself a keepsake that is functional because I am able to use it on a daily basis and just have a great memory all the time. So the color is great, the way it feels in the hand is great, but overall the imagery is what I love about it. So if you love to travel as well, I highly recommend getting this. But that's just my point of view.